Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add flowcharts to Notion using Mermaid. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add flowchart to Notion using Mermaid, all you gotta do is simply go to Notion. Once you are in your Notion, you need to simply get logged in into your account. After you get logged in into your account as well, after you get access to your Notion, you need to simply follow these simple and easy prompts as directed in the video. So to add flowchart to Notion with your Mermaid, you need to use the /mermaid command on a page. You need to select the code Mermaid block, write your flowchart code, example graph TD, A start or B process, and Notion will automatically render the visual chart, letting you toggle between code, preview, or split view for real-time editing. You can define nodes, shapes, directions, and connection using simple text syntax. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.